In software, innovation and integration go hand in hand. Here are 4 reasons why integration is crucial for any digital innovation initiative. First, breaking down data silos. Integration allows different software systems to communicate, breaking down those silos and exchanging data seamlessly. This will increase productivity by automating data entry, having consistent data, reducing errors and time. It can also potentially increase your customer service by providing you with a holistic view of your customers' data. By connecting your applications effectively, you are proactively positioning your organization for greater efficiency and success. After you've done the essential step of connecting your applications, you can unlock the real power by leveraging integrated data intelligence. In an integrated landscape, it's not just about linking apps together, it's also about maximizing the potential of your data. Integration will facilitate data aggregation, visualization and analytics, supporting data-driven and informed decisions, which will allow you to quickly adapt, anticipate change and seize certain opportunities. The integration platform, as your foundation for connecting applications and data, is not just about making those connections. It's also about automating business processes and workflows, deriving real-time, actionable insights from your data. Ultimately, this will deliver a professional experience and service to both your customers and partners. But if you want to realize the full potential of generative AI, the foundation is based in a robust integration platform. It will enable you to deliver intelligent applications that can leverage your data, systems and processes while simultaneously providing new value to your users, giving your organization a competitive edge. Long story short, having a robust integration platform is crucial. It's what empowers you to adapt, innovate and stay ahead.